In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add vendors in QuickBooks Desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what information to enter so your bills and payments stay accurate and organized. Start by opening QuickBooks and heading to your main dashboard. From here, look for the Expenses and Bills area. Depending on your layout, this may appear in your left navigation or as an option on the toolbar. Click Expenses and Bills to open the Expenses workspace. This is where QuickBooks groups everything related to what you owe. Next, go to Vendors. This takes you to your vendor list, the central place where all your suppliers and service providers are stored. Keeping this list tidy makes it easy to create bills, track payments, and run reports later. Now, click New Vendor to create a new vendor profile. This opens a form with all the fields you'll use to store the vendor's details. Take your time here. The more complete and accurate this information is, the fewer issues you'll have when you enter bills, match payments, or prepare year-end reports. Fill in the vendor's display name and legal name if they differ, along with the company information. Add their email and mailing address so your bills and purchase orders go to the right place, and include a phone contact in case you need quick follow-up on invoices. Enter payment terms, like net 30, so QuickBooks can automatically calculate due dates for you. If you regularly pay this vendor a certain way, note the preferred payment method. You can also add an account number they've assigned to your business for easy reference. If applicable, record a tax ID and mark them for year-end forms. Use the Notes section for helpful context, such as who your contact is or any special delivery instructions. If your version allows, consider attaching key documents, like a contract or a completed W-9, so everything stays with the vendor profile. Before saving, review every field. Confirm spelling, addresses, and terms. Small errors here can ripple into bill coding, payment timing, and reporting. When everything looks good, click Save. You'll be returned to the vendor list, and your new vendor will appear immediately, ready to use on bills and purchase orders. If you need to make changes later, open the vendor from the list and edit the details at any time. For consistency, use a clear naming convention and standard terms across vendors. Repeat this process for each vendor you work with, and your accounts payable workflow will be faster, cleaner, and much easier to manage.